Hi, good day. Today we're going to be installing the Windows Server 2016 via a virtual machine. So the first step we have to take is to install the virtual machine, which I already have downloaded here. So you would just hit next. Don't change any of these settings, just keep hitting next. And then the installation process should take place. Once that is installed, you will leave one Start Oracle VirtualBox, and then the VirtualBox will open. Once you have VirtualBox open, you would need to hit New, where you would set up a virtual machine. I'll just choose the name Virtual Machine for now. Then you'll need to pick the version of machine you're using, which for me will be Windows 2016. Next, memory size. This is where you could change your memory size to suit you. I will leave mine as is for now. The virtual machine will need a hard disk to be able to boot an operating system, so we need to create a virtual hard disk. You can leave the hard disk file type as is, and do the same for storage on physical hard disk. By default, the system will leave 50 GB for the virtual machine. I'm going to leave that as is. And now our virtual machine is properly set up. Now we need to start up the virtual machine by clicking Start here and Normal Start. Then you'll be asked to select your startup disk. You'll need to have this startup disk beforehand. Once you select your disk, hit Start and the virtual machine will boot up. From this point on, it should just be a basic Windows installation. If there were any errors coming up while setting up the VirtualBox, you may need to enable virtualization on your BIOS menu for it to work properly. The method of doing so varies on motherboard to motherboard, so you will have to find out this information on your own. At this stage, you'll have to click the Windows Server KMS, the pre-activated. Then you'll click Accept, Custom Installation, and then just choose the default drive to install the operating system. At this point, the operating system will be installed, which may take some time depending on your hardware specs. When the operating system is installed and the virtual machine restarts by itself, you'll be asked to enter a password, which I will do now. You will then be brought to this screen where they ask you to Control or Delete to unlock. In the virtual machine, however, you will need to right Control and Delete. You would then need to enter the password you put in before, and that should be it. You will have successfully installed Windows Server 2016 on a virtual machine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you on your journeys.